Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to do like chit chat with you about myself, cause since I get to post them on my previous video I told you that soon I'll be showing, oh, like what am I saying? Okay, like since salega le botsa gore like can you go reka the like skin product mabon, so I want to normalize like go ira like a self-care videos, like, but this is not mine. Okay, it's not mine. And like this body scrub, it is so nice, like it is so nice. Smells so nice, like it smells like sugar. I wish like I can taste them. Okay, so and also oil controller, I want to use this because my skin like problem with the acne, whatever, so it removes dark spot, just my sister told me. Yeah, so but like this are not mine, okay, but I will buy it. If you want to buy it, ashilibito. And this body scrub, I think this she bought a Clicks or Mr. Price, I don't remember, I forgot. Okay, tell me why, like, okay, the video tsaka di hano upload the go YouTube because of network. I don't know if it's a network or it's a YouTube a problem, but like I'm not the one who experienced the problem. I'm not the one, because some YouTubers babalabala YouTube, it's a seva go upload blah blah blah. So yeah man, like it can be okay. Like I'm going somewhere, so this t-shirt is from Shein, this jean is from Mr. Price. I don't know, but like I will show you outfit take fitly. Okay, one thing about me, get outfit take fitly, but like I don't, like I forgot to vlog, like I do forget to vlog. I don't know, like I get okay, like I get okay. This shirt was for my sister. Okay, she gave it to me. Like ke ratile aban go come around this and that period. So this is style my younger sister unkirile. I think this is nice. Isn't it nice? It is nice. It is nice. I'm joking. Like it is nice. Like manoko high, but like kitlo before June 16, I think. I don't know when I will post this video because YouTube impabutata, guys. Like impabutata. Guys, if you're watching this thing and also learn YouTube how you found that, please wait taking. I don't know. I've been posting 3 times and like your video can't process. What? I don't know. So I don't know. I get this eyeshadow, mara like it's a color, like let's go judge, please. Okay, cause you know Panyam. Okay, so like to be honest, I'm a cool person, I'm a kind person, but like I do get angry so easily, and like I take things personally, like that's myself. Like I do smile a lot, like ke smile hanchinchine. Okay, like some people like to take advantage of smile. Like some people say, I have a serious face. Like even I'm not talking. So to be honest, like I'm kind. I'm so kind. And one thing about me, like losing friends for me, like it's a normal thing. Cause like, I think I'm a numb person. Cause even if like you lose about to like, okay, I'm not angry. I'm not becoming angry or like be mad or something. It's life. Like I know. Okay, one thing about me again, like the chums well, like only girls are few because girls jealousy and stuff, so doesn't matter. But yeah, man, here I am. I'm strong, I'm beautiful. So yeah. Period. Okay, please guys, like don't judge me. Like don't, cause I broke my mirror, so I'm gonna use this. So please don't. One thing about me, like the eyeshadow from okay, like I'm not perfect and I like kanyaka kutata makeup or giving that girl with makeup so ash makeup one like even though you saw that video trying makeup for the first time, if you haven't watched it, please go watch that video. I did try it, but like I wasn't bad, guys. Like I wasn't bad cause the first time azanga tata makeup before kidilote like kidilote. Is this thing, man? Like the eyeshadow and like it's unaccepted, even though like no this sharp, but for me like that I wanna like I wanna normalize that. Like before kita the eyeshadow, like I wanna put what do you call the thing, like concealer. Yeah, I mean, like yes. Okay, one thing about me, like I don't mind losing people. Okay, I'm a funny person, but like in a way I'm a moody because like always I'm enjoying myself alone. So yeah, like sometimes like being surrounded by people, like I feel bored. Obviously in the groove, like trying to engage to but like usually I'm always alone or my family here at home. So but like one thing about me, hey kids, even though like Lego school, I'm always alone, cause my friend so I don't know. But but I'm always alone, listening to music, blah blah blah. Okay, like kabulela ne. Okay, I do talk a lot, but usually I'm a quiet person. Okay, like who's like a hore omang, and then yeah, kaya energy I go by the energy of a heart. Okay, you know what? Who like kaya energy amutu. Okay, yes. If she's talkative, I will be talkative. If she or he he is talkative, probably I will be talkative, right? Yes. Like please don't mind me. Like English is separate. Like it's not our mother's tongue. What am I saying? Oh my god. But what am I saying? I'm not good in chit-chatting. Oh my god, like I don't wanna stain my shit cause period. I need to go like just now. Like now. I'm not too much. Okay. I'm not. One thing about me, in Katlani, I mean, never mind person. Like, we can get into a bit. Like, like to be honest, like I don't wanna lie. To be honest, like okay, but if I can like you won't see me because while I'm not, I can pretend. Like, okay, I get okay, but like if we get papa wild, yes, okay. So yeah, man, yes. I want to remove this piercing here because now it annoys me. It is beautiful, but like I need to remove it because wow, like many people, they've been asking, like they've been, hey, isn't it painful? But like not like little. Yes, first time doing it, like I was so happy. I saw other girl on TikTok. And I really, but like my aim was to do here like piercing. What do you call? Well, like yeah, you get me. Dimple piercing, but like I don't have a dimple period. But like I know it will suit me so nice, but yeah. Okay, hope like I'm not too much. Like I'm not too much. Hope I'm not. Guys, this mirror, please don't laugh at me. Oh my god, my eye. Oh my god. So that was about telling you about myself, Nyana. But I'll make a video soon, maybe. I know, guys. Like I promised you a why I started a YouTube channel. Yes, I'm gonna come on that because I'm so lazy and like get bored again. YouTube. Like YouTube, to be honest, it's boring me because I have so many content, like many, okay, many. So yeah. Like guys, you remember, like I told you on my previous video, it was, I think, a vision board or something. Yeah, like I told you, like I wanna open a business, and like I did that. I'm selling a phone case. Yeah, phone cases. I'm selling a cute phone cases. Like, okay, I'm selling a cute phone cases. Wait, maybe can you call so like I'm so grateful. I know like it's not a big thing. The thing like for me, business yaka, it's not a big thing, but like I appreciate that. Come ko iling inyani thing, but in other way, like at least honestly income ways and now okay for myself. And yeah, man, and like I told you that I wanna help my sister, and like I'm doing that. I'm also doing that. Okay, oh, I look so different with mascara. Like guys, this hairstyle, like my younger sister, she's so perfect, like perfect. Okay, this is matte or matte. This is matte. On my previous video you saw me applying it, but like I told you, like it looks like this. looks like this. It is. So I won't apply it too much because like and stuff. Okay, I think okay guys, like don't judge me, okay? I'm using this material to makeup because wow, Robin, I don't know. That's what, like I'm saying, I won't apply it too much because okay, even though it is too much. Back, I want to show you phone cases that I'm selling. Yeah, like, but this one pizza Osaka. Probably you're gonna see it on my previous video, because yeah, I did a whole nyana. These are phone cases that I'm selling, but like, okay. And also this bowl, maybe I will sell it, but if people like want it, probably I will starting selling it, because even though there's hair bowl, like on my previous video you saw my bowl was pink, the sticking, and also this hair hair creeper or whatever. But like if you want like dilotami, like probably you will comment, and or I will put the number this. Okay, I will put the number on screen if you want this. And this also phone cases. Okay, like I do sell it, and like it's cute. Period. Yeah, that was it in this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching it. While talking too much, I'm not good at chit-chatting, because I'm a shopping girl. Like I'm a shopping girl, so but like don't take me seriously on that. So yeah, man, I need to remove these nails. I need to remove these nails because wow, like I need to also this styling gel echo sorry about that. Echo, okay, like it's shiny, but also this one is for my sister. If like she sees this video, obviously she's going to kill me, because she will think that I'm using her things, and like I'm showing you, period. But I'm about to close this video, so yeah, hope you enjoy it. Please guys, like no ways, like what please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Oh my god, like guys, get the titty and like oh my god, this shirt, but like like here on my breast. In other ways, like it's covering those nipples, but like I don't know what you call it in English, like the gunga. Sorry about like the gunga, obviously. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you on my next video. Hope you enjoy watching this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, oh I forgot, on September I think I will do a giveaway. If like okay, if I get phone how like for the phone cases, like phone white thing on my phone cases, like it is going, like you're going to get a wireless AirPods, obviously, yes, but if you post my phone cases, I mean, what am I saying? Phone case? Okay, phone cases post. Okay, if you post it for 30 days or 31 days, like you will get something. Like you will, I will do a giveaway probably. Like it is important for me to do it because, like, what this business is so, I don't know what to call, like booming or whatever. So yeah, see you, bye.
Fire!